Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. I'm with Pulte Homes here at Webb Point Hope. We're going to be taking a look at their Echelon series of homes. These are the larger floor plans. There's 3 total. They've outfitted 2 models here today. I cannot wait to show you all the spectacular upgrades and features. So let's get started. Welcome to the Renown. This is the largest of the floor plans within the Echelon series. So it starts off at 2,700 and goes all the way to 3,700 square feet if you want to add the second story. The house is really hallmarked by a nice seamless flow, dedicated spaces, and really outstanding luxury touches that people are looking for. There's some great new features that Pulte's unveiled in these models. Let's get inside and take a look. The Renown welcomes you with a beautiful large glass inlay in the front door, just letting natural light pour into this floor plan here. Custom trim package. And as we walk into the spaces, we start getting into the livables right away. So we have a half bath conveniently located here next to the coat closet. And then this guest space is special and unique because it has its own dedicated ensuite as well as a large walk-in closet here. So your guests have some great privacy. They're up at the front of the house. Check this bathroom out. Really great feature here. From that first guest suite, we are walking into what is the dedicated office or living area. We're noticing that wood inlaid tray ceiling. I really love the flooring selection. Check out these wide plank floors here. And right into the garage as well as the drop zone area here. So, all the homes are coming with a 2-car finished garage. And then another really private bedroom in the back here. And it also has its own ensuite bathroom. So they are delivering when it comes to privacy in this Renowned floor plan. And I love this shower. Again, we're just seeing a lot of warmth coming back into selections here. Such a great feature for these guest rooms. The Renown features an oversized laundry space with a utility sink as well as cabinets. You could outfit this area over here if you wanted to as well. And my favorite feature is how it connects to the primary bedroom. So this is the closet for the primary suite, and you have seamless entry into that space. We've got a beautiful dual vanity. They went ahead and chose both. You don't have to make a choice. You can get the shower and the tub, the transom window letting in a ton of natural light, private water closet, and then the Renown, they are not skimping. So you have a second huge closet here as well as dedicated linen storage. And you can see how this is the largest of the floor plans. Even without the second story, you can see all the spaciousness of this layout. The primary suite is a perfect place to come relax. They're echoing that same wood up in the tray ceiling here in the primary. And we are coming out into the rest of the living house. So you can see just how privately this is situated away from any of the other bedroom and bathroom spaces. You'll hear me talk about storage a lot in this floor plan, and it's such a nice blend of form and function. Check out these cabinets on the back of these quartz countertops here. There's a lot of dedicated spaces within this kitchen. There's a coffee bar. Check out some modern features like this pot filler and backsplash. We've got gorgeous all natural gas stainless steel appliances, a wine fridge and area over here directly across from an oversized pantry. So this kitchen is really delivering and anchoring the rest of the living spaces in this home. The oversized dining area is able to accommodate large furniture such as a buffet or a credenza, and it lends right into the family and the living spaces. These floor plans, again, have so much natural light abounding. It's like the whole back of the house is covered in windows. And I love how they went for the option of putting the stone around the fireplace here. I just think it's such a nice luxury touch as we start to blend into our prized indoor-outdoor low country living. On beautiful weather days like today, you can open up these doors. You don't have to worry because there is a screened-in porch keeping any bugs out. There's a beautiful, fun, and modern tile selection out here. And even though this is not included in the square footage, this area really maximizes the livability of the home and your access to outdoors. Point Hope really wants you to see what you can do with these spaces. So we are in the outdoor kitchen area here at the Renown. So not only do you have that lovely space that's enclosed, you have this whole outdoor area, and they're wanting you to come envision how you can make the property special and unique to your own tastes and needs. The Renown model offers more square footage than any of the other floor plans here, and the Echelon Series is just bringing the highest level of selections and luxury, delivering on buyers' dreams. I think they've really placed an importance on livability. I love how there is an effortless flow from the primary to the rest of the house and this awesome dedicated space outdoors here. You're really maximizing your square footage, whether it be inside or outside. Come take a tour yourself, though. On duty agents are here 7 days a week. Welcome to the Stellar model in the Echelon series at Del Webb and Point Hope. This luxury home starts off at 2240 square feet, but we're going to see it at over 3,500 square feet because they have added the second story loft and bedroom area. There is so many fun surprises inside, so I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. The model welcomes us with 9-foot ceilings and a custom trim package. We walk right into the office area, which they have outfitted as a cigar bar. Such a fun feature here. Of course, we have the beautiful French doors. Just across the hall is a dedicated guest area with its own ensuite bathroom. We're noticing these painted 5-panel doors again. We've got the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And this guest space is at the front of the home, so it gets a ton of great light in it right off of that front patio there. And you know Pulte's delivering with the big closets. And here is another closet. Storage abounds in these floor plans. There is more storage, guest, and living space in this area here. We come to the 2-car garage. We've got a really nice drop zone, dedicated storage, and of course, a working laundry room. I love that they're showcasing these spaces like this. And not having the door here is so nice because you're always trying to, carry baskets in and out. We've got a large closet there, and then another really privately tucked away suite. So if you wanted to keep that front room as something fun like a cigar bar, you could always make this an office as well because it's really privately tucked away and it has access to this full bath just off of it. So again, they're really placing a premium on spaces and privacy, giving everybody what they need and want. Okay, so here we are at the optional second story loft. Huge living space. We've got dedicated storage in the mechanicals up here as well. And of course, access to a full bathroom from this oversized bedroom. Check out how large this is. The Stellar really knows how to deliver in its square footage. The great room is defined by this gourmet kitchen. Standout features for me include all stainless steel natural gas appliances. We have a dedicated wine fridge and storage area there. Oversized island with a farmhouse sink. And I think it's really cool that they've brought the countertops up as the backsplash here. It's really a very sophisticated, luxurious touch to me. And they're bringing in mixed metals, which we've been seeing. So not everything is just so stark anymore. And of course, you're going to have a huge pantry here for all the storage that you could ever need. The dining area is very large and can host a really good sized table. Also, it lends itself to the rest of the living area. You can see we've got that natural gas fireplace going here. This is such a great and spacious area to come gather. And also, it is hallmarked by just all these windows and doors that basically take up the entire back of the home. The primary suite is located in the rear of the home and it has a really nice dedicated space to it. We're seeing a really fun wallpaper up in that tray ceiling. And Pulte's doing some really fun new features in these models here at Del Webb Point Hope, like this super shower. So this is a walk-in shower here and it has the transom window as well as the rainfall shower head, multiple shower heads, the niche, and a bench, which is perfect. We know everybody loves all those features. We've got a oversized closet, and they're bringing the flooring into these closet spaces as well. And of course, a dual vanity. And I think it is such a smart decision that they went ahead and tiled in this whole wall here too. The back of the home is basically all windows and doors. So natural light is just pouring into this floor plan, and I love that. Now for my favorite feature. They have a bathroom here, optional bathroom if you want. So we are just off the outdoor living space. And if you wanted to consider doing a pool, you could have a bathroom for your guests. They wouldn't have to be, bringing water inside the house and everything. What Del Webb Point Hope is showing you is that you can really build the home of your dreams here with Pulte. They know how to deliver on the luxury touches and finishes people are looking for. Check out this covered lanai, which is just standard. So if you wanted to, you could always turn this into a screen porch area, but they're giving you so many opportunities to flex and build something custom. And that's why people are really loving this neighborhood so far. The Stellar model certainly earned its name here today. I love this house, and I love that they showcase all the spaces by giving you the additional second story, all the bedrooms and bathrooms that we're looking for, and really showcasing how you can go all out with these spaces and build something very special of your own here at Del Webb Point Hope. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with a Guide and visiting the Echelon series of homes here by Pulte at Del Webb Point Hope. There is so much to offer in this luxury series of homes. And, the thought of downsizing from a lot of square footage is daunting to you. They're giving you a ton of features and the square footage that you need. I really love the opportunities that they're providing. And if you have any more questions, on-duty agents are always here. You can pop in or make an appointment. They'd love to tell you all about this series and the others. We'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.